No weight on my back, it's easy, I fly, I'm more than the cold, straight line of the system. Remember, time's got a barcode, time is a silent assassin, a hitman. Shadow of a new day, just an old stamp, echo, same rhythm. And where will you meet me? Hey, I'm a slave of this curse land with them. Hung over dead with a joke, motherland, call me home, don't drag it. But kill us softly, please, with soldiers of your love, you got us in your baggage. Drip, drip on the snow, ink blocks, tangled in black. How come? We're gone, just like in that song about Max. How you been? Still roaming the woods with a rifle in hand. How you been? I bounced the tide, dropped everything, switched up the land. How you been? I'm in treatment, man, I'm hearing voices. How you been? I buried everyone I wrote about, I had no choices. One cross per apostle, one coin per eye with a portal broken. Island dwellers pray for us, cause we want that door not open. Don't wake the dog, better stay away, it's safer, that's the dictum. With no burden, it's so easy just to fly along a straight line algorithm.
Hear that heart scream?
Yeah, that's me, I'm wounded.
Hey, old man,
tell me how to get where heaven's rooted. So many books I read, but they all lied. In the end, you can cut straight through, but only walking right on the edge, my friend.
Hear that heart scream?
Yeah, that's me, I'm wounded.
Hey, old man,
tell me how to get where heaven's rooted. So many books I read, but they all lied. In the end, you can cut straight through, but only walking right on the edge, my friend. The Little Prince on the nightstand, Antoine on the page. Mississippi, Louisiana, jazz looping in a cage. Machine press, point shoes, mama forgive me this twist. This jazz climbs like a vine, can't fight the way it exists. Girl, girl, sing on, your pilot's always near. Rose inside her 10U3 like Cersei and Bear. He's looking down at your crown through the oval glass, and you whisper in your pillow, my aviator, come back. Closer to heaven, the harder it gets to breathe, babe. And inside my head itself, four walls in a cage. And if they shoot me down and I survive it, wounded, crippled, concussed, ugly in my ugly truth. Tell me who will want me, who will trust. Forgive me, Hiroshima, forgive me, Dresden, Minsk. But people can be unbearable. Your whole life's just a whim, just a flinch. It's not enough to climb high, you gotta hold your height. I'll be a princess when I grow up, but you cheat once, they call you whore for life. While you whine on the couch to a therapist, counting your traumas and tones. Hiding the catacombs, I'm screaming, finger tight on the chrome. I'm pressing the trigger with a roar, no second thoughts, no sorry. Bombs on your rooftops, that's my twisted bedtime story.
Hear that heart scream?
Yeah, that's me, I'm wounded.
Hey, old man,
tell me how to get where heaven's rooted. So many books I read, but they all lied. In the end, you can cut straight through, but only walking right on the edge, my friend.
Hear that heart scream?
Yeah, that's me, I'm wounded.
Hey, old man,
tell me how to get where heaven's rooted. So many books I read, but they all